This is something that keeps coming up when we talk to teams about additive manufacturing quality. One of the earliest and most overlooked steps is material lot acceptance. Before you ever hit print, someone has to decide whether that material lot is approved and ready to be used. And that decision usually just isn't based on one thing. It's a lot of technical factors like particle size distribution, the chemistry, moisture, humidity exposure of the material, and other supplier data that they may provide. Oftentimes, this is found on the material test certificate. Too often, that information lies in PDFs or spreadsheets, and the acceptance decision itself usually gets reduced to a checkbox or an email. When questions come later, or if they do come later during an audit or a nonconformance, and we're trying to scale, it can be difficult to track this information down. We just added digital signatures and sign-offs in TRACEAM, starting with material and lot acceptance. It allows the reviewer to formally approve a lot in context with the supporting data and the conditions alongside that for the sign-off. That signal decision becomes part of a trusted digital thread linking material data to builds to inspection, and inspection back to overall qualification. TRACEAM is built to connect additive manufacturing data across materials, process, and quality, so decisions made early don't disappear later. It's a small feature, but a foundational one.